1. Rise before the sun. The hardest part isn't waking up. It's defeating the voice that says, 5 more minutes. That voice is comfort disguised as care. Get up before the sun, and you'll feel something powerful. Ownership of your life. 2. Cold showers, warm discipline. When freezing water hits your skin, your body screams, stop. But your mind says, stay. That's where the separation happens, between who you were and who you're becoming. Each second you endure builds invisible armor. 3rd, train in silence. No music, no noise, just you, the weight, and the echo of your breath. When you stop depending on motivation, you learn to create your own fire. And that is when training becomes transformation. 4. The 1-hour rule. No phone for the first hour after waking. While the world scrolls into chaos, you sharpen your mind in peace. Discipline isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters first. 5. Eat for energy, not escape. Winter tempts you with comfort food sugar, warmth, but comfort is the enemy of progress. Eat clean, think clean, live clean. Fuel your purpose, not your cravings. If you're the kind of person who refuses to waste another winter, if something inside you knows you are built for more, then this space, this message, this path is ours. So stay close, subscribe, not to a channel, but to your own growth. Because this journey isn't just mine, it's yours too. We rise together, one habit, one morning, one choice at a time. 6. Journal before bed. Don't let your thoughts rot inside your mind. Write, reflect, empty the noise onto paper. The more you understand yourself, the less the world can shake you. 7. Digital fasting. Once a week, go dark. No screens, no notifications. Let your mind breathe again. In that silence, ideas return, clarity returns, you return. 8. Walk in the cold. Hood up, music low. Let the cold bite your face until you feel alive again. Because every step you take in discomfort is a message to your old self. I'm still here. I'm still fighting. 9. Guard your evenings. Turn your nights into rituals. Read, stretch, think. Don't let distraction steal your peace before sleep. Protect your energy the way warriors protect their campfire in the dark. 10. Sleep with intention. Not lazy sleep, strategic sleep. Rest isn't the absence of work. It's the preparation for war. Sleep like someone who plans to conquer tomorrow.